pwede kang kumita ng pera sa GCash? Simply open the GCash app and click the View All. Scroll down at makikita mo doon ang Earn Money. There are 3 ways to earn money via GCash. First is the job referral. So kung may refer ka na nakakakilala, na naghanap ng trabaho at tingin mo ay qualified sila, just refer them via the GCash app and magkakaroon ka ng earnings after successful referral. So this is the example. Ito yung mga naghahanap ng work. Pwede kang mag-refer, pwede ka din mag-apply if alam mo sa sarili mo qualified ka dito. Like for example, this one. Ayan, pwede kang mag-apply at ayang makikita mo apply via LinkedIn, and then dyan sa Paraliga, meron kang 50,000 na earn pag may ma-refer ka at successful ang referral mo. Second, although hindi pa siya available, but soon you can do part-time work via GCash. And lastly, yung pinakamadali sa lahat, and you will earn rewards for every task and services na gagawin through the GCash app. Thank you later!